Gentlemen, Cessna Caravan 28B Romeo Papa 1077, conducting a lawful maritime patrol within the exclusive economic zone. You are flying too close. You are very dangerous and endangers the lives of our crew and passengers. Keep away and distance of your aircraft from us. You are violating the safety standards set by the FAA and ICAO.